Okay, I'm going to install this Max Adventure tailgate bag from overlandgearguy.com on my Colorado Bison. First, we're going to put this mat on. I already took some of the clips off to slot them into the tailgate here. Just run these through the gap. Through the gap. Pull those out. We're going to pause right there. And the adjusters. Start with the adjuster. There we go. And here we just want to align this to the height that you want the bag. Okay, now I've got my general alignment there. Feed these straps back up through. This will need to fully attach the mat. So just grab these guys. Those clips attached to secure the mat. Okay. Snug this down. Let's see where that's sitting. A little bit of adjustment there. Bring this down. And now that we've got it where we want it, let's snug it up. Okay, so what I've done here is pass these straps through the tailgate going down. That way we can secure the bottom of the bag. Then these straps were passed through the tailgate up, and that's going to secure the mounting mat. And then you can see right here we started to get these clipped and then tightened in and snugged down. So that's secure. Just where you want the height. Put mine just with a little bit of a gap here so that the buckles will clear the smart cap. Pass that back up. And let's attach our bag. This bag is great. Picking up trail trash, keeping all your camp stuff for an extended stay. Lots of room in there. And start securing the side buckles. And then the hangers. Once that's clipped into place, bottom buckles. Okay, let's just do the final secure of the bag. This side, flip over here, there we go. We've got it mounted.